Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add your 70 MIA Dash Cam A400 camera to your Android app device. We've shown you how to download this 70 MIA app in our other video. Now let's add this device. Here click on confirm. We'll need to enable our Bluetooth. If it doesn't move you to this settings, you'll need to do it manually right here. Now find the device that we want to add, and for me it's a dash cam with a screen. Now we'll need to make sure that the hotspot on this device is enabled, so navigate to the settings for this camera, move to the system settings, here enter Wi-Fi hotspot. You should see how to enable it, and right here you can connect to this Wi-Fi hotspot, connecting with a dashcam hotspot. So here we have it. You will need to enter the password, which is visible right here. So now it's connected and we can go back to the app. Click on this button. And now the mobile phone is connected and we can use it with this camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.